2nd run. We're trying to see how many runs that we can do in the last 30 minutes on the bunny slopes, right?
Right now we're at 2.
We're at 2 now, and it took 5 minutes for the last one, so we're tracking for 6 runs. Lap 3, here we go. Woo! Yep, that one took about 4.5 minutes, so we did better that time. We did better, okay? Yeah, we were, and then we met up with Kason and Kate and Caden, and then now we're gonna go down for a 3rd lap.
I think we're gonna do 6.
Yeah, I think so too. We're headed to run 4. It's getting close.
It was so fast. I was so fast. It was like 3 minutes.
I know. I got a big jump in. Everybody's French frying. It's a hell of a time. Wait. Sorry.